Soiled trays deposited on the slat belt conveyor at the loading station will be conveyed to the soiled dish table, where the operator can remove cups and glassware and place them in the rack. The optional plate rinse station can be set to the manual mode with the spray running continuously, or in the auto mode with the spray only working when the plate is under the nozzle. Clearing food items from plates into the water trough avoids food particle buildup in the dish machine and reduces sanitation time. Stacked plates and bowls can be easily placed on the plate conveyor. Water gushing in the waste trough forces the garbage towards the disposer or pulper. If the system incorporates a power roller conveyor, loaded racks can be easily pushed onto the power roller. The power roller conveyor system, combined with gravity rollers, convey the racks to the dish machine. On some systems, trays can be automatically collected by the self-leveling tray stacker at the end of the tray line conveyor. The plate conveyor can run in a continuous mode on the main and auxiliary control panels, or on demand by pushing the hip switch below the table to advance the conveyor. The conveyor runs when the hip switch is depressed and stops when released. Start and stop buttons provided on the main and auxiliary control panels can override the functions of the hip switches and vice versa. An accumulation switch automatically shuts off the conveyor when activated by the arrival of dishware. The conveyor automatically restarts when accumulation is cleared. A magnetic cutlery remover speeds up the process of cutlery handling by picking them up and dropping them off to the mobile soak sink automatically. A magnetic silver saver mounted underneath the trough catches cutlery accidentally dropped into the trough. The liftgate allows the operator access to the dish machine for loading of non-rackable items. This vertical position of the liftgate also allows accumulation of dish racks. Once the desired accumulation is achieved, the liftgate can be lowered to allow automatic loading of racks into the dish machine. Rollers are exposed to the hot cleaning water at the exit of the warewash unit, and plastic rollers will warp if placed too close. Hence, the roller conveyor incorporates a few stainless steel rollers at the beginning, followed by PVC rollers. The roller unit is oriented in such a way that the stainless steel rollers are always placed near the exit of the warewasher.